Surge arresters are an essential component of electrical systems, protecting equipment from overvoltage surges caused by lightning strikes, switching operations, and other events. These surges can damage equipment, cause power outages, and pose safety hazards. Surge arresters work by diverting the surge to the ground, preventing it from reaching and damaging the equipment. Surge arresters are designed to withstand high voltages and operate quickly to ensure effective protection. There are several types of surge arresters, including metal oxide varistors, gas discharge tubes, and silicon avalanche diodes. Each type has its own advantages and is selected based on the specific requirements of the electrical system. It's important to note that surge arresters require regular maintenance and testing to ensure they are functioning properly. Failure to do so can result in equipment damage and system failures. By including surge arresters in your electrical system and performing regular maintenance, you can help to ensure the safe and reliable operation of your equipment. Thank you for watching.